Yeah, the person. Person.
So, Josie Ho, thank you so much for coming here to join with us. So, can you just share your thoughts and the future activities that we are supposed to do in this event?
Oh, in this event?
Here, this two are one is recording and one is on live.
Okay. So do you want me to talk about this event or?
This event and other consequences of this.
Oh, sure. So today is really important just because I think that what's been happening in Tibet is incredibly. It's just horrifying. And for the CCP to be getting away with this for so many years and continuously trying to cleanse ethnically and religiously so many different communities is absolutely horrifying. So we're here today in order to stand with the Tibetan people and ensure that the CCP understands that they are not going to get away with this and that the world sees exactly what they're doing. So as a Hong Konger, I want to stand with the Tibetan people and make sure that they know how important it is to us to have Tibetans as allies and to stand with them no matter what happens. So I'm really thankful for the organizers of this event for allowing me to come here today and protest outside of the Chinese consulate in New York City. And we always stand with Tibet, so thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.